girl Quincy. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Why is my face so greasy? When the last time I dropped? But hey, the main thing is that I'm staying consistent. That's what I'm saying this year. I'm staying consistent and y'all see me dropping. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing amazing. And like I always been saying, put God first. Pray first before y'all do anything, because y'all never know what can go wrong in your life. But anyway, before we get on to this reaction video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the post notifications so y'all don't miss any of my video that I be dropping. But anyways, today, I know I'm late on this, but I don't care. Y'all here, y'all gonna watch it anyway, so it's my channel. Well, yeah, so well. But anyway, I'm gonna react to, I know I'm gonna get this name wrong. Bangchan.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
Bangchan, I don't know how to pronounce his name. Railway. Stray Kids. Let's go. Alright, put the volume up.
Vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto the railings. It's obvious, but something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Cause it's safe when it's just you and me. Baby, I feel.
Okay, so is he a vampire or like something else? Because like there's like mommies in there, there's like zombies in there. I don't know. It's like I feel like he's half vampire, half human. I don't know. The aesthetic in the background is crazy.
Need no brakes, this train, the engines go insane.
The beat for me.
As long as we head on rail, fear is dead, no doubt. Baby, trust me now. Sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight.
So his blood is like a poison. That doesn't even look like blood. That look like freaking dark oil, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, his blood is like a poison, like.
Onto them railings. It's only us, but something saying more, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat.
Oh, hold on.
Don't you care about the casualties? Cause it's safe when it's just you and me. Baby, I feel.
So basically there's a good him and a bad him. Like him in the all white, I feel like that's a good him, and then all him in all black is like the bad him. I don't know, I'm trying to get this, you know what I'm saying? Like he's scared of him. Oh no, I lied. Oh. So is that a good him or a bad him? I'm confused. Stray kids everywhere, all around the world. You make stray kids stay. Okay.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't understand it, but the beat is good. The song is good. It's good, okay? It's good, but I don't understand it. I'm trying to figure out if him in all white, is he good? And him in all black, is he bad? And on top of that, what is he? Is he a half vampire and half human?
I'm confused. I'm confused right now, G.
Or him in all black is like the demon inside of him. You know what I'm saying? I'm confused. I don't understand this, but I like it. I love the song. His voice is so soothing. It's so smooth. I like it. But that's it for the reaction video. Stay tuned for my next one. I don't know when I will drop my next one, but when I drop it, that's when y'all will see it. And I'm out. Be safe out there, man. Be safe out there.